Hello everybody, this is Mr. Storm and I'm going to show you my example for the Magic 8 Ball assignment. In this assignment you're going to use an array that stores a bunch of answers the 8 Ball could give you, such as yes or no, or the future seems cloudy, or it seems to be true, or this isn't likely, things like that. And your user is going to type in a question and the 8 Ball is going to spit out an answer to their question and tell the future, right? Now, here's one little trick with this program. Normally, what we've done in the past is anytime we had the user typing in an answer, we've stored that answer in a variable and we've used it in some way. In this program, it really doesn't matter if we store their answer, right? We could just have them write out what they want and hit enter. And no matter what the question is, we're just going to pick a random answer from the array of possibilities, right? Just like a magic 8 ball that you would play around with, the toy that you shake up and it'll give you an answer. It doesn't really matter what question you ask. So don't be bothered with storing their answer, the user's question. Sorry, don't be bothered with storing the user's question into a variable so that we could pull that out later. It's not necessary. But I'm going to show you how this actually works. So I'm going to type my question, right? Will I ever find a boyfriend, right? And then when I hit enter, it will give me my answer, which, hey, it seems to be true. Awesome. So I might actually find a boyfriend at some point. So that's really what we're looking for, right? And it also needs to be random, okay? Oh, ignore my very cluttered desktop. I apologize. That's gross. All right, so let's ask the same question. Will I ever find a boyfriend? No, right? So that's a very definitive no for me. I'm not going to find a boyfriend. I'm going to be lonely for the rest of my life. Well, luckily I'm married and my wife keeps me company, so I don't have to worry about finding a boyfriend. But that's what your Magic 8 Ball looks like, right? It's going to produce a random answer every time they ask a question. And again, I don't need to worry about actually saving this question in a variable anywhere. All I'm looking for is the randomizing of the array. I'm looking for an array that has a bunch of answers in it, and it picks a random answer out of that array and spits it out every time we ask our question. Okay, so that's how our program works. I can't wait to see what yours look like. And again, hey, if you don't want to write an actual Magic 8 Ball, if you don't want to call it Magic 8 Ball, if you want to use these concepts to create something new, go for it. I mean, it's completely up to you. If you want to expand and use more than what I'm asking you to use, go for it. And the answers that the 8 ball will spit out are, again, they can be whatever you want, right? As long as it, all works together and everything looks nice and it works properly. So I'm going to shut up. I'm going to stop rambling on, let you get started because I know you're excited to build this program. I'm excited to see what they look like. So until then, I will see you next time, and thank you very much.